Today, we're going to Old Town. We are going to get some hot pot. It's gonna be a good day.
A lot of your videos, you always end with, it's going to be a good day.
Because it's gonna be a good day. What kind of day are you having?
It's a pretty good day.
At the end of the day, every day is a good day. Let me show you. It is a good day because the clouds, just look at this.
It's actually the weather's very nice.
I told you. Sesame sauce. I accidentally put peanuts in there, so it's like a peanut butter sesame sauce now. It's okay, I'm Filipino. We like kari kari. Look like a hot dog, or does it look like a koi fish?
Any eyes, any like some scales, you know?
Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just rambling, but that's the situation.
What you want? Baby, I got it. Bye.